Welcome to Southern Country Living, where Calvin and Marie's love is always given. Cooking up a storm, sharing their life. Do what you love what you do. That's their advice. Down in the South, where the living is sweet, come on in, take a seat. We'll show you how to cook with love and live a life that you're proud of. Join us on this journey.
Be sure to turn out good. Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and I hope everybody is having a great day today. Here in Georgia, it's beautiful, the weather's just right, and the sun's shining, and so it's no better time to make some good no-bake. It's called no-bake chocolate oatmeal cookies, and Calvin requested me to make these. I've made them before, and he really enjoys them. I can also use this swerve sugar in them, but Calvin has asked me to make them original this time. He says that he's only going to eat 1 or 2 of them at a time, so we'll see if he does. Okay, and the ingredients is a stick of butter, 1 3/4 cups sugar, and then a 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, and a 1/2 cup of milk, a teaspoon of vanilla flavoring, and this is 2/3 cups of peanut butter and 3 cups of quick cooking oats. And this recipe will be in the description below. So let me get started on this really good yummy cookie recipe. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a stick of butter in it. And then I'm going to put in my sugar. And my cocoa powder. And my milk. And I'm going over to the stove and I'll cook this till it comes up to a boil. Okay, when it comes up to a boil, I'm going to cook it for 60 seconds and immediately take it off of the eye and add the rest of my ingredients. Okay, I have all my ingredients in my pan, and so you have to stir it constantly until it comes up to a boil. All right, it's came up to a boil now, so I'm going to let it cook for 60 seconds. Okay. Now then, it's been cooking for 60 seconds. So I'm going to add in the rest of my ingredients. I'm going to add in my vanilla flavor. And my peanut butter. I'm going to give this a really good stir. Okay, now then I'm going to add in my oats. And just keep stirring until I get this all mixed up. Okay, all right, I got that all mixed up now. So now then I'm going to put it on my parchment paper. I like using an ice cream scoop because to me it just comes out so much better. I have a cookie scoop, but I just like using the ice cream scoop. I have my certain tools I like to use no matter what. And I hope that y'all are going to try these easy no-bake cookies, and I hope you like them when you make them. Like I said, if you want to make them sugar-free, you can use this. But Calvin requested for me to make them with sugar today. And so he also told me to make a few small ones. So I also did that. So I'm going to be back in 30 minutes when they set up, and then we'll have some great cookies. Boy, these sure did turn out good. Okay, my cookies have been cooling for about 30 minutes. And now I'm going to get to do the fun part, the taste test. They're just as good as always. Calvin, you are going to love these.
I've got a hype one here. I'm going to taste it right now.
Okay.
They are perfect. I appreciate you making these for me, but I'm going to have to remember just eat one at a time. But we'll put them in an airtight container and they'll last for a while, won't they?
Okay. And I can always make them sugar-free for you too.
I like these.
Okay. So I guess we're going to close out our video, and I'm going to finish my good cookie in just a minute. So I hope y'all have, I've already said it one time today, but I'm going to say it again. Hope y'all have a great day. And I hope if y'all make these easy cookies, you'll put it in the comments below and let us know. They sure are good. I know a lot of people make them, and I've made them several times, but it never hurts to make them again, especially when they're good. Okay, so y'all do what you love and love what you do, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Country living, where love and life collide. Do what you love and love what you do. That's the way we live, and we're inviting you. Down in the South, where the living is sweet, come on in, take a seat. We'll show you how to cook with love and live a life that you're proud of.